Hello and welcome. In this series of videos, you'll gain valuable information about setup and operation of the DE3 desktop engraver, keypad, and menu setup. I would first like to get you familiar with the keypad. This is the LED display, the handy dial, your setup menus, your tool direction menus, shift, speed up, or rabbit, Z up or down, Z origin set, your spindle control. To activate the laser pointer, hold the rabbit and the pointer button. By pressing the menu button once, you will activate the movement window. Press twice will put you into the setup menu. As you can see, the handy dial will allow you to scroll through the menus with ease and speed. Here we're activating the laser pointer, shown by this little icon in the upper left corner. The view menus. View, enter. We'll take the carriage, the spindle and tool all the way to the back so you can preview your engraved products or your table. Center, which is very useful utilizing the center vise, will take you to the very center of the table. User X and Y will show you your predefined base point. User Z will show you your Z point. Notice I'm in manual mode for this. Machine X and Y will take you to the very front of the table. And that is your move or view window. Settings menu. This is where you will control Auto Z, spindle, LAN or Ethernet, and or corrections. Activate spindle selected, press enter. Then you can toggle on or off. Enter. When off, it will indicate on the LED that it is off. When on, it will show you the RPMs. Auto Z. By turning it off, you move it into manual mode. The lock lever will need to be set to position 3. When on, it is in Auto Z mode, and it will prompt you to set to 1 or 2. This is a setup for a diamond drag. Setting your X and Y. Move your tool to whatever position you want on the table. Origin XY and enter. 0 zeros out, meaning the start point. Setting the laser, press your rabbit and pointer at the same time. When the laser is on, it will be indicated by the icon in the upper left. Setting up your LAN or Ethernet. Toggle through the setup menu to where you find LAN. For the IP, hit enter. And you can now toggle through these and set this up for whatever your network is. Information about the machine, spindle unit hours. That is your keyboard controls.